friends, Angela here. Welcome back to my art channel, Angela Mutavi Art. And in today's video, I'm making another 12 by 12 canvas painting. And right now I'm just showing you the colors that I'm going to be using. I started with phthalo blue, I went to brilliant yellow and purple, and now that one is a gold, that's Deco Art gold, and then I have my white. I just showed you the white, and that is ultramarine blue. So here I have the canvas already saturated with my base white, and now I'm just gonna put down my colors. Then what I'm gonna do after putting down my colors, I'm gonna put a little bit of the white around the colors. That way I can have enough paint to to move the colors around, and you will see what I mean when I get to that point. And yes, so thank you for being here. And once this is done, once I am done blowing, because I'm gonna use a blow dryer to move my colors. Once that's done, then I'm gonna try to design it using a hair comb. So go ahead and enjoy it, and leave a comment, share with your friends and family the video if you like it. Tell me what I could have done different, what colors you like to see me try in this technique. And yeah, so just let me know and enjoy the process of this painting and the music, and I will show you at the end the final result, how it turns out. Thank you for being here. I appreciate your presence, and yeah, thanks again. I'll see you on the next video, but stay tuned for the final result on this one. God bless.